Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the update package, open settings and go straight to storage or apps, don't stall. Once in storage, tap cached data or explore downloads and make sure to show system processes if you don't see anything. You're looking for names like update, zip, OTA, or software update. These are the files that hold the downloaded system update. If you find them in download or a vendor folder, pause, do not reboot yet. You'll delete them next to prevent an accidental install. Now remove the files safely using a file manager with root access, or through settings right arrow apps right arrow storage for the download manager. If the package is protected in /data or /cache, connect via ADB on your computer and run a db shell rm/data/, or use recovery mode's file manager to delete the OTA. Make sure you back up personal data beforehand. Deleting system packages can be risky. Once removed, clear cache and reboot. Only finish by rebooting and checking settings right arrow system, right arrow advanced right arrow system update to confirm nothing is pending. If the update reappears, go back and disable automatic downloads in system and carrier apps, or remove the update in recovery and then wipe cache partition. If it still returns, boot into safe mode to rule out a third-party app, and as a last resort, perform a factory reset. Make sure you've backed up. If problems persist, contact the device manufacturer for guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.